This video is to help you install your phase converter, is not to supersede any national or state codes, and we highly recommend it to be installed by an industrial licensed electrician. Thank you for purchasing a Phoenix phase converter. Whichever model you purchased, this video will help guide you through the installation. Always follow your quick step guide during this installation. Use the template provided to mark your drill spots. Drill all 4 holes in a solid, non-vibrating surface. Use the necessary anchors or fasteners appropriate for your surface. Screw the top 2 screws, leaving some room to hang your panel. Mount your panel the best way that will suit your connections. Then, tighten all your screws or fasteners securely to your surface. Use the quick setup guide provided for the appropriate wire size. If you have a push button on the panel, wiring your single-phase line on T1 and T2, make sure your connections are tight. Next, connect your idler motor to L1, L2, and L3. On the non-push button models, connect your single-phase lines to L1 and L2. Connect your idler motor leads to L1, L2, and L3. Connect your push button to the back of the panel. Fasten the cover back on and you're done with your installation. If you need additional help, visit our website at phoenixphaseconverters.com.